So the sofa from CHITA Living just arrived. It all comes separately boxed for you, so you get about 5 packages. So I'm gonna get it all unpacked here and I'll show you how the assembly process of this goes, but pretty excited for it. So the sofa basically comes 75% complete. So you just take each piece out of the box and then unwrap it. And there's only a couple steps to get the whole thing put together. So what's nice about this is it basically comes assembled for you like the base. All you need to do is put on the legs, and they have rubber on there too. So if you do have it on hardwood floor or laminate like myself, it's not gonna scratch. It's also gonna stay in place and not slide around. So all you need to do is just screw these in. Obviously there's gonna be 4 in here, so I'm gonna get these screwed in and I'll show you the next step, which is also very simple. And now we're gonna slide the furniture together. This is where it's gonna go in, and they're gonna match it on this side. And these are really easy to go in. Now I've had a bunch of different brands of sofas, and this brand, for whatever reason, this is the easiest, where it just slides in nice and smoothly. So you just gotta line it up, get it on there. There you go, it'll lock into place, and it's complete. And now this step is optional, so these brackets are gonna go on the bottom. So personally, I'm gonna have this set up in an L shape, so I do want them to stay together and not be sliding around, but you can customize these however you want. So if you don't wanna do that, you can just skip these next 2 steps and you can move them around your room to make your living room be as comfortable or as customizable as you want. And how you get these onto your couch, very easy. So you're just gonna take your feet off where you want them, put our bracket in there, and we're screwed into place. So it's nice, you don't need any tools, no Allen wrenches, no screwdrivers. Really just screw it on there, get nice and tight. Now we'll move to the other side, make sure that's all lined up. Get our foot in there. And just like that, these are all connected now. They're not gonna be sliding apart. This thing's heavy duty. Now the final step is just sliding on these armrests, and they go on just like all the other pieces. Just line her up, and slide it down. Okay, now the final piece, we just gotta get on all of our couch cushions. And now I literally did just take these out of the box. So my guess is they will fluff up a little bit more, but they do come pretty much ready to roll. So you'll be able to use this right out of the box. No problem at all. And there we go. The final product. I had this thing out of the box, assembled in about 1.5 hours. Did it all by myself like I showed you. You definitely could do it by yourself 100%, but there are some parts that are kind of heavy, so if you do have somebody helping you, if you can't lift heavy weights, probably be beneficial. But overall, super happy with the support. Ottoman here, you got that full storage down there, and they even do have vents in the bottom too, so if you are putting stuff in there for long periods of time, it'll get air. Throw that back down. But like I said, super happy with this. Exactly what I wanted. I have a little bit bigger living room, so I wanted something that wasn't gonna look too small. And like I told you earlier, I demoed a bunch of couches, and a lot of them do come a little bit smaller, but not this one. This is huge, just like you get at like a big box retail store. So super, super happy with this. I give it 2 thumbs up.